Welcome to wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. Fill out the missing part on the table below. Find value of principal. So we have to find the value that will go over here. Now let's check which kind of interest this is, simple or compound. So we know simple interest can be calculated with this relationship PRT by 100. So let's check if the first values from first row are satisfying this. So let's use P equal to 2500, R equal to 3.5% and T equal to 9 months. That means 9 divided by 12, that is years. 9 by 12 years. Right? Whenever time is given in months, we have to convert months, weeks, days, anything we have to convert it years. So let's see. 0, 0, these will cancel out. 3 3s are 3 4s are. So 25 into 3.5 into 3 divided by 4, which is equal to, let's see, 25 5s are 125. 25 3s are 75 plus 12 is 87. So this is 87.5 into 3 by 4, which when calculated, 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21 plus 1 is 28, 3 8s are 24 plus 2 is 26 divided by 4. So let's calculate this. 3 5s are 15, 3 7s are 21 plus 1 is 22, 3 8s are 24 plus 2 is 26 by 4. So 4 6 are 24, 2 2, 4 5s are 20. Again 2 remains. 4 6s are 24. 4 2s are 8. 2 remains. 4 5s are 20. So that is 65.625 and correct. Interest is $65.625. Interest. So the values are following simple interest relationship. So in order to calculate principal for given interest, simple interest is given by PRT by 100. So simple interest we have $120,320. P we have to calculate. R is given as 1.6% and time is given as 2 years. So that will be into 2 by 100. So in order to calculate P, we'll take all of these numbers over to left hand side. So we get P equal to 120,320 into 100 divided by 1.6 into 2. So that is, let's see, this is 50. 5 2s are 10. 5 3s are 15 plus 1 is 16. 5 2s are 10. 5 1s are 5 plus 1 is 6 divided by 1.6, which is equal to 6016,000 divided by 16. I have simply removed decimal point from denominator, so I had to multiply 10 to numerator. So that will be 16. I had not considered 0 from this 50, so this will be here and there will be one more 0 over here. So let's see now. 16 3s are 48. So let's divide this. 16 3s are 48. 12 remains, so 121. 16 sevens are 112. So 121 minus 112 is 9. So 96 remains. 16 6 are 96. and all the zeros will be over here. So principal amount is 37,60,000. So let's see what are the options. Yes, answer is option A.